Christian name and surname of deceased Archibald Sharp, known as Archibald Allen.
Your great-grandfather was using an alias.
Dodgy.
What's it like to read that, to think that is your ancestor shooting another man?
Imagine thinking this through. This is what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a gun, or we're gonna ambush him. They had a plan. That's criminal.
All I know is that my grandfather was known as the Black Dragon.
Why?
He might have been akin to a gangster at the time, is what I've heard.
That is the passenger list from the ship on which your ancestors sailed from 1768.
Holy mackerel. Felons transported from London to Virginia by the Neptune.
List of male convicts by the ship Waterloo.
Your great-great-grandfather was a convict.
Oh my gosh. I think we found the bad leg of the family here.
Why do you think your mother never told you her own father's name?
I don't know.
Well, I have an idea. Would you please turn the page? Chris, that is Joseph Egan. That's his mugshot.
Ah. He looks like a tough customer.
He does. Hey, you see your mom in that face?
I do. The eyes and something about the mouth. Grandpa.
The residents of North Street were startled yesterday afternoon by the sharp report of a pistol shot. Joseph Lombardo had been shot by Joseph Alessi. Whoa. Both he and Alessi are natives of Italy. The latter came to America about 9 years ago. He has several brothers here. Samuel, who has a fruit store at Monroe Avenue, and Antonio, who has a fruit stand on Clinton Avenue. These guys were mobsters. I should have known.
Nazareno Bertinelli, 24. Married or single? Single. Final destination, Scranton, Pennsylvania. Length of time alien intends to reside in the United States? Always.
Always.
He was fleeing Italy.
Under the decree of the Mogilev District Court, is one a Chelsea townsperson accused under Article 1654. Anyone who knows the whereabouts of Danielovich is obliged to inform the court where he is.
Your great-uncle Michael was a wanted man.
This is wild.
And let's go back to the story your father told you, that his father came to America to escape the army.
Right.
He came to America to escape prison.
Prison.
Yeah.
This is blowing my mind a little. This is really blowing my mind.
South Carolina policemen stopped Honcho and another man to check a 1951 license plate on their souped-up automobile. And in it, the trooper found burglary tools and a German submachine gun. Oh, here we go. Detroit police also wanted Honcho for questioning on a number of burglaries. This brings me such joy because I have done some digging on my own, and I've read many news articles about the Honchos. This is a new one.
Oh, really? Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That, of course, is your great-uncle Oliver.
Yeah.
And great-uncle Oliver robbed a drugstore, then kidnapped the druggist. When did you first hear about great-uncle Oliver?
Oh, these stories flew around nonstop, and I met a lot of these people. It was bonkers, and it was around.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, and my dad was, pretty scarred by growing up, and it gave him a certain take on the world, which is like, there are jackals about, like, be aware.
Speakeasies raided. Oh, gosh. Policemen O'Day and Browner yesterday raided 3 speakeasies in what is known as Swamp Poodle and captured Gates Jackson of number 65 Jackson Alley. Jackson was fined $250 with 3 months in the workhouse as the equivalent.
He's an entrepreneur. Remember, he was running the craps game.
He was running the crap game, but now he's moved out and kind of done a speakeasy kind of thing.
Yeah.
Well, you got to get ahead.
Do you identify with this ancestor of yours? He was a character.
Well, what I identify with is the fact that he was staying alive, that he was trying to make it through in, questionable ways, very definitely. But there's an energy it sounds like to this person. You know, and also going by a name Gates. I mean, Gates Jackson has a certain great ring to it. You know,
I think it sounds noble.
And so, yeah, in a certain way, I'm like, go on, okay, let's see what you're gonna do. But the jury's out on whether he was good or bad.
On April the 3rd, 1866, Harriet Walker was fined £2 12 shillings for being on the lands of Rylaw armed with a gun in pursuit of game. October the 31st, 1872, Horatio Walker was convicted of having stolen a Slater's trowel. Sentenced 14 days. Oh, dear.
Oh.
Oh, my God.
Now, these crimes are very different from the crimes that your ancestor was committing as a young man. He's not out carousing and beating people up when he's inebriated anymore.
Yeah.
He seems to be committing petty thefts and poaching, perhaps, of course, to support his family. At the same time, even if he's just trying to get by, these are still crimes.
Yes, of course. I mean, clearly, he can't stop misbehaving himself.
No.
Clearly, throughout his life, he's always been on the fiddle, as we would say in Black Hole. He's always been on the fiddle of one way or another.
Yeah.
He just sounds naughty. You know, he sounds like a naughty man, you know, who's not going to change his ways.
No.
But there's something sweet about it as well.
I know.
I don't know what it is, but I get a sweetness of it.
He's lovable.
There's a lovableness about him. Yeah, I do get that. Just said, oh, bugger it. I'm just doing it. I'm going to steal that thing, and I'm to hell with it, you know.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.